What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be starting off the video with a night drive. This is just going to be a regular cruising video because I've gotten several questions about the muffler delete on how the drone is on the highway. So I actually decided to make a video. This is at a cruising speed. I'm going 63 miles an hour, and as you guys, I'm not sure if you're able to notice, but there's not much of a drone going on. And now I'm actually going to be rolling down the windows down all the way. Alright, so we're cruising at 65 miles an hour with the windows down, the front windows down, the back ones are still up. And as you guys can see, or as you guys can hear, there's actually no drone whatsoever. It's nothing obnoxious. We're cruising now at 63 miles an hour. The windows are halfway up, and really you're not going to hear any drone. If anything, you'll probably end up hearing the wind noise. We are going 30, picking up speed to get on the highway. You guys probably heard the rub more than the exhaust. Rub, rub, rub. I need smaller tires. Cruising at 48 miles an hour. Okay, so here we are picking up speed. Front windows are down, and I figured that it's better to do this at night because you're actually getting a lot less noise from the other cars. It's kind of hard to tell the difference when it's between day and night, so I figured night's actually a lot better. There's not much noise going on outside, so you can actually hear the car a little bit better. And you guys, even though it's night, it's almost midnight. There's barely any cars out. There's 3-4 cars in front of me, and there's none beside me. So this is all you're hearing is wind noise and the car. And apparently, as you guys notice, there's no drone. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for the video. I'm going to try to make it as short and informative as possible. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'm going to do my best to get this video up as soon as I can. I'm actually having issues with my computer, so I can't make long videos at the moment because my laptop that I'm going to be using for this video, or that I use for this video, happens to lag if I end up making a video that's maybe longer than 4 or 5 minutes. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe, and I'll be having more videos on the car coming up soon. And yep, there's parts coming in on the way, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.